dark pink polos, I hurt the ride before Cam got the shit to pop. The doors is closed. I felt like bad boy.
Everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So I have a U-part wig from Westkiss, and literally the only thing I have to say about this unit is that it is the best U-part that I have ever had. This wig is thick all the way to the ends. It's silky smooth. The hair is just gorgeous. Like, honestly, I didn't even flat iron this hair. I didn't put any heat toward it because it didn't need it. Like, it literally came out of the packaging perfect, ready to wear. So if you guys want to try this unit out, go ahead and check out my description box below. But yeah, you guys are going to see throughout the video, all I did was blend my hair with this unit, and that was it. Like, this is definitely the best U-part that I have had. So again, guys, go ahead and check it out. I did a really simple just middle parts install, and you know it's a quality unit when you can get a straight middle part. So definitely go ahead and check this out, and thank you guys for watching. I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Hey guys, so before I start the tutorial, I forgot to add that Westkiss has a Facebook group. So this is just a little shot of how you join the group.
got the shit to pop. The doors is closed. I felt like Bad Boy Street.